I'm choking. So guys, I'm trying to find an iron here. We threw the old one away that we have. I'm gonna go with Black & Decker. I'm gonna go with this one. Yep. This one, let me see. It's on sale. So I'm gonna see how much it's going for. So guys, I'm so excited because it's the Black Friday sale. You know, we just moved into our new apartment. I'm sitting in my luxurious couch right now. I don't even eat in this couch. Only thing I do in this couch is just sit down and watch TV because I'm not messing this up at all. Yeah, I have OCD. Yep, I have OCD. So guys, let's get down to business. Let me show you what I got in today in the Black Friday sale. I shopped online and then I went to Macy's today, which is the 23rd, Black Friday. I went to Macy's and guys, you know I'm tiny, right? People was pushing me from this side, this angle, in front of me, behind me. Guys, my foot right now is like pounding like it's a heart. My heart is inside my foot because it's just pounding like, you know, when people step on your foot, they just like, oh, sorry. And some of them just look at you like, oh yeah, you stepped on my toe, bitch. You stepped on my toe. Okay. Say I'm sorry. Even if you don't, you know, just say I'm sorry. But guys, today was crazy. I'm telling you, when you look on people full in the store, when you look on the cashier line, you see people standing outside and it's cold. It was like 19 degrees today. It was 19 degrees. It was brick. Not freezing cold. It was brick. I wish I was in Florida right now, guys, because right now, because I have some friends in Florida, they said Florida is a little bit chilly right now, but New York is a brisk. As you can see, I have a big box here. I got Macy's. I got another box here from Amazon. I got another one here. I need help, but my husband, he did an overnight. He spent Thanksgiving with us. He did an overnight. Let's get started. So the first item is heavy. The first item is this. So guys, I'm opening my first item. Takes a lot. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. This is the instruction. Bella. Ooh, everything here is brand new. I can't even pull it, guys. Oh my God, guys! It's rotating. Look. Let me open it. It's a rotating, look guys, look. Oh my God, you flip the waffle. It's a waffle maker. So you flip it to the other side, cook, and you flip it. And then the light in here tells you if it's ready or if it's hot. Okay, let me put this baby down right here. Let's move on to the other item, guys. Ooh. And this one is a food storage bakeware container set. Let me see what's inside this. So I got this. That is like the marker, so you could mark it. Oh, it's too tiny. Hell no. Hell no. So food storage. Let's see. Actually, guys, I don't like this one. I'm gonna return it. I definitely don't like this. I thought it was a big one, but look at the trick that I did. So guys, we are moving on to the other item. Let's see what's inside. Oh guys, I'm telling you, Black Friday. So next year, if God's willing, next year I won't be shopping in store next Black Friday. Cause Black Friday, guys, it's crazy. I'd rather do it online. But the crazy part, whenever you buy stuff online, you see like all the time it's busy. You're getting your item, even the box is messed up and whatever. So I bought this. It's a hanger. It's a hanger, damage-free hanger. Like you put it on the wall. You don't have to nail the wall. You don't have to mess up the wall. So this is, I got this. I got a lot of stuff to hang. Yes guys, so this is another item. So in this box, we're kind of finished. We're finished right now, so guys, we're finished. In that one, ooh, nope, I'm taking all the boxes. Not going to Macy's as yet. You guys will love it. Amazon, yep, I'm a Prime member. Yeah, guys, so let me open. Wonder what's inside. comment below and tell me what you like so far. See if you like what I bought. It's a toaster! It's a toaster oven! Oh my god, I love it. I love it, guys. This is my husband is gonna love this, guys. He's the one who chose this. Yep, he chose this one. He chose this one. Guys, this package thing is like crazy to pull. Take me an hour to pull this. Uh-oh. Got a lot of stuff, guys. Kind of a hectic one. God, look how shiny it is, guys. Look. It's brand new. Yeah, it's working. So guys, I'm testing the toaster. I plugged it in the wall already. And I'm gonna try and see if it's working now. So all I do, just push this down. The light is on and it's good. So what I do to stop it now, I go like this. Press the button, like this. And it turns off. See? So it's perfect. That's the nice part of it. It's working. I'm gonna toast some bread and an egg and a cheese sandwich. Oh my god. Look at it, guys. Ooh. Do you love this, guys? Comment below and tell me if you like this or you like any items I have. And my husband is peeking. Okay, let him peek. What do you say? Whatever. Whatever it is. Another package, guys. See? Oh, another one. You see what I'm talking about, guys? I love this. So guys, yep. So guys, we have here mixing bowls. Oops, don't fall. We have the tops. It's the mixing bowl with the top. Look, guys. We have a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Yep. You could I'm gonna use them for like vegetables, cut vegetables in it. Season my chicken, all the meats I season. And voila! I'm so excited. And it's stainless steel. I love stainless steel. Yeah. So excited for my packages. Oh. one package so far I'm gonna return, and it's that one with the I don't want it, and I spent $28, $28.99 for that. But I knew it wasn't. I know. So yeah, I got 2 items today at Macy's. I got 2 items. So guys, are you ready to see what's inside my bag? Are you ready? I ain't sure what I feel. I ain't sure what I feel. Let's go, guys. So a black Decker iron. A black Decker iron. See that, guys? Do you like it? Remember, comment below and tell me if you like it. Tell me whatever you like. Tell me, guys. Don't be afraid to chit chat with me. I will respond to each and every one, so no one can complain and say, oh, I messaged you and you didn't answer me, or you didn't respond to my message on your YouTube channel. I respond to each and every one. Most people, they text me on my Instagram. Like someday we chit chat, how you doing? You know, some people like to say, you are very jovial, you're very nice, you know, you're a nice person, and you know, yes. I met a lot of people, I met a lot of person on my Instagram. We have the last and final one we have, guys. Macy's, the last and final one. Who could tell me? Who could tell me what's inside this bag? Bag. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam. Okay, here you go. Guys. I got this at Macy's, so the other one that I showed you before, I'm gonna return that one and get my money back, because I don't know what that is. I don't like it. Yeah, I like this one though. Give me a manual with the manual ready. So I'm just gonna show you one of them, guys. Like, it's 5-piece container. It says food container. You put cereal or you put flour. See? Alright, guys, look on this. See? Look. Easy access. See? To open it, you go press it down. See? So to open it, you go like this. See? And then open. I love it. So it's 5-piece. It's a 5-piece one. So I could put my rice. You have another big one in there. I could put my rice. I could put my cookies. So yeah. If you got problem with ants or whatever, you could put your food inside of it. So you know, prevent your stuff from these little creatures that's living in your house. Okay, guys.